As you see, I got my boxes right here. So today we're gonna try something a little special, right? We're gonna do some Amazon unboxing, right? Because I want you guys to see what KT is shopping for as we transition from winter to spring, right? So this might be some things that you might consider getting on your shopping list, or it might be something that you might consider as a gift to somebody else. Either way, sit tight, be cool, and just roll with KT, all right? Without further ado, let's get started, baby. Oh shit, take two. Alright, there we go. Hey, package number one. Hey, let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. What we got here? Let's see what we got. Just pop that thing open. Yep. Slid it right down the middle. Let's see what we got here. This is my love language. Gifts. Gifts. You know what I'm saying? So any of you ladies sliding my DMs, you better be ready for it to give them gifts. Alright. Alright. So this is what we got, number one. Alright. Fitness jump rope, right? This is a weighted jump rope, by the way. So it's like 2 pounds. So it's jump rope. Excellent for the springtime. You know, we got to get our cardio up. You know what I'm saying? Not only we gonna be feeling good, we gonna be looking good, baby. So, you know what I'm saying? Get the jump rope popping, right? That's a weighted jump rope. Let's see what else we got. Oh, all right. This one, hey yo, check this out. You see that? I'm excited about this one. This is the beard kit. You know what I'm saying? Cause even though the beard look good, you know what I'm saying? You gotta try different stuff, you know, out to keep it on point, right? And the interesting story, let me get this out the way. The interesting story about this one is I was on Amazon and I had everything in my cart, but then I came across that logo. I was like, let me check this out, man. So I investigated and I actually hit the guy up on Instagram like, hey man, I support your business, man. I had everything in the cart, but once I seen it was you, bro, like bro, it was a no-brainer. I had to support. So like with this kit, it comes with like beard scissors, the beard comb, the brush, the beard razor. It comes with beard oil, the balm, the shampoo, conditioner. It comes with like a tracer where you can trace your beard and, you know, just get it lined up to perfection, you know, because the ladies love it, right? And then you also got a beard straightener. So, you know, some days I be looking like Wolverine, you know what I'm saying? So that'll definitely help out. And then it come with a storage bag. So shout out to this brother, you know what I'm saying? The sauce store is for your beard kits. So yeah, so that's the story about that. All right, next, let's see what we got here. Hold up, rip through this thing like Hulk Hogan. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, yeah. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, yo, hey. Your boy, hey, it's a blessing to get old, man, but with that wisdom, with that age, comes them back problems, you know what I'm saying? Hey, so this is a back stretcher, right? So if you guys, you know what I'm saying, you need like, you know, you can skip the chiropractor, you know what I'm saying, you can just lay on this for like a couple of minutes, man, get your spinal aligned or whatever you need to do. Good for it. Can't wait to put that to use. Oh yeah. Next, oh yeah, I'm gonna say this one. I gotta let you guys know. So we're gonna put this to the side for a minute. All right, what my, boom. And we got this baby right here. Let's go. Man, like Christmas. Like Amazon like Christmas. All right, boom. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. All right. Oh yeah. Boom. Another thing. Hey, this is the hair growth kit, right? I don't want y'all to think I'm bald or anything. You know what I'm saying? Like your boy's straight. You know what I'm saying? Your boy's sexy over here. All right. So, but with the hair kit, you know, it gonna come with like the hair growth. You know, it's for your beard too. Like if you got like some skimps in your beard or whatever, you know what I'm saying? You can put the what's the name of this oil? Biotin oil. You put the biotin oil on it, and then they're gonna have like a thermal roll where you can kind of like roll it and it kind of like punctures the surface of your skin so the oil can get in and it can get the nutrients, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, man, y'all see it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna run it on my hair and everything. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make sure we fly. So, they also come with like a hair massager too. So, like whenever you shampooing and conditioning your hair, you can put like you can use like the hair massager, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like a sponge that you can use in the shower. That way, you know what I'm saying, you can really exfoliate your scalp and all that good stuff and really get the full benefits of the expensive ass shampoo you be using, right? Because who don't want to get the full benefits, right? So we're gonna put that right there. What else we got here? Oh yeah, boom. I got them bricks, you know what I'm saying? But not them type. We got the Dove soap. This is the Moroccan oil version. The Moroccan argan oil. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a lot of benefits with this oil, you know what I'm saying? You can't get this out of Walmart. So it's like one of those special editions of Dove that you gotta order, but I highly recommend it. It smells great, it's good for your skin, you know what I'm saying? Yo ladies, don't I look like I smell good? That's what the ladies be telling me. Alright, let's see. Alright, boom. Here we go. Yo, that's what we got here. Your boy ready. Your boy ready. And that's why I said this one's gonna come back to this, right? Boom. We got them gloves, baby. We got them gloves, baby. So I ordered me like a in-home boxing bag thing, you know what I'm saying? So this is, you put your hand wraps. Put your hand wraps on, and then you put it in your glove, right? Because, you know, you don't want your gloves all sweaty and stuff, so that's what the hand wraps protect you from, right? But I'm ready to put these things in use, baby. Let me make sure I got the right size. God damn, did I get the right side? There we go, just gotta pop that cherry on that thing, you know what I'm saying? Alright, here we go. There we go. We ready, baby. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna give me some punching mitts too. So like if anybody wanna spar, you know how they do, like 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, so that's what we got. So we got the unwrap to go with that. And that's pretty much it. So I got some more stuff that's on the way. But I enjoy unboxing, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cause you know, like my love language is receiving gifts. And the ladies been slacking lately, man. I haven't received a gift since like January, you know? But but that's another story. But that has been Amazon unboxing with KT. I hope you guys have enjoyed. And let me know if you enjoyed any of the gifts that I presented. You got any questions? Let me know, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, peace.